Welcome back to Thriveology today. Imagine waking up to discover your email campaigns generated money overnight while you slept. That's exactly what happened to Emma, who transformed her struggling online business by mastering email marketing fundamentals. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the exact blueprint successful digital entrepreneurs use to build responsive email lists, create compelling sequences, and automate their way to consistent sales. Whether you're starting from scratch or optimizing an existing system, these strategies will help you leverage the most powerful marketing asset you'll ever own. Before we dive into these game-changing principles, join our Thriveology community by hitting subscribe. Because just like email marketing, small consistent actions today create extraordinary results tomorrow. Let's transform your email strategy from forgotten inbox filler to profit-generating machine. List building fundamentals. Think of your email list like a thriving garden. The quality of seeds you plant determines the harvest you'll reap. Let's explore how to build a list that actually converts. Start with creating irresistible lead magnets that solve specific problems for your audience. The most effective lead magnets directly address your customers' pain points. Like a master chef who knows exactly which ingredients will satisfy hunger, you need to identify what information your audience craves. Your lead magnets could be ebooks, templates, checklists, or free email courses, but they must deliver genuine value. Remember, you're making a first impression here. If your free content disappoints, prospects won't trust your paid offerings. Next, optimize your opt-in forms by placing them strategically throughout your website. Think of these as friendly invitations rather than interruptions. Add them to high-traffic areas like your homepage, popular blog posts, and resource pages. Consider adding an opt-in bar that follows visitors as they browse your site. Leverage the power of exit intent pop-ups. These appear when someone is about to leave your site. It's like offering a parting gift that might convince them to stay connected. Make sure these pop-ups offer something valuable in exchange for contact information. Remember, quality trumps quantity every time. A list of 500 engaged subscribers who open your emails is infinitely more valuable than 5,000 who never engage. Focus on attracting the right people, not just any people. Email sequence architecture. Think of your email sequences like a carefully crafted story. Each message builds upon the last, creating a journey that naturally guides subscribers toward a meaningful relationship with your brand. Let's explore how to design sequences that convert. Start with your welcome sequence. This is your digital first impression and sets the tone for your entire relationship. Like a thoughtful host welcoming guests into their home, your initial emails should make subscribers feel valued and excited about joining your community. Your welcome sequence should include 3 to 5 emails delivered over your first week. Begin with an immediate delivery that fulfills your lead magnet promise, followed by a value-packed email that solves another problem. Then introduce yourself authentically, sharing your story and mission. Finally, present a small, low-risk offer that provides a natural next step. Next, develop your nurture sequence. These emails build trust through consistent value delivery. Think of this like tending a garden. You're nurturing the relationship through regular care and attention. Share case studies, behind-the-scenes insights, and valuable content that showcases your expertise without constantly selling. Your sales sequence requires careful orchestration. Begin by identifying a specific problem. Agitate that pain point by highlighting its consequences. Then present your solution as the natural answer. Use storytelling to illustrate transformation and create genuine urgency through limited time offers or bonuses. Remember, the most effective email sequences aren't just about selling, they're about creating meaningful connections. Like chapters in a compelling book, each email should leave your reader eager to open the next one. Copywriting essentials. Think of your email copywriting like a master key that unlocks your subscribers' attention and interest. Let's explore the essential elements that transform ordinary emails into compelling messages that drive action. Start with your subject lines. These tiny sentences determine whether your emails get opened or ignored. Think of them as the headline on a magazine cover. They must create curiosity, promise value, or trigger emotion. Test subject lines that use questions, create curiosity gaps, or speak directly to specific pain points. The opening line of your email is your digital handshake. Make it personal, relevant, and engaging. Like a skilled conversationalist who immediately draws you in, your first sentence should make the reader feel understood and eager to continue. Structure your email body for maximum readability. Use short paragraphs, conversational language, and strategic formatting. Think of your email like a path through a garden. It should guide the reader naturally toward your call to action without feeling forced or manipulative. Master the psychology of persuasion through storytelling. Share relevant customer success stories or personal experiences that illustrate transformation. These narratives create emotional connection and help subscribers see themselves achieving similar results. Your call to action must be crystal clear and compelling. Instead of generic click here buttons, use specific, benefit-driven language like unlock my free training or start my transformation. Think of your CTA as the bridge between your subscribers' current situation and their desired outcome. Conversion optimization. Think of conversion optimization like fine-tuning a high-performance engine. Small adjustments can dramatically improve your results. Let's explore how to transform your email campaigns into conversion machines. Start with A/B testing as your foundation for data-driven decisions. Like a scientist conducting experiments, test one variable at a time to understand exactly what moves the needle. In 2025, successful marketers are testing everything from subject lines and sender names to CTA button colors and email layouts. Focus on optimizing your call to action buttons. These are the bridges between interest and action. Test different colors, sizes, and copy to find what resonates best with your audience. Instead of generic click here text, try benefit-driven language like start my transformation or unlock my free training. Timing has become increasingly crucial for conversion success. The perfect send time varies by audience, but recent trends show midweek emails, Tuesdays and Thursdays, often perform best. Test different times to discover when your specific audience is most receptive, and leverage automation to deliver emails at the optimal moment based on individual time zones. Remember that segmentation is the backbone of conversion optimization. In 2025, the most successful campaigns use micro-segmentation to create hyper-personalized experiences. Rather than broad demographic groups, focus on specific behaviors like website visits, content consumption patterns, or purchase history to deliver precisely targeted messages. Automation framework. Think of your email marketing automation like a skilled orchestra conductor. It coordinates every element to create a harmonious customer experience. Let's explore how to build systems that generate results while you sleep. Start with selecting the right automation platform for your needs. In 2025, tools like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and HubSpot offer sophisticated automation capabilities with intuitive interfaces. Choose a platform that balances powerful features with user-friendly design. Create what I call trigger action timing workflows. These automated sequences activate based on specific subscriber behaviors. When someone downloads your lead magnet, visits a specific page, or clicks a particular link, your system automatically sends the perfect follow-up message at the ideal moment. Integrate your email platform with your other business tools. Your CRM, payment processor, and website should communicate seamlessly with your email system. This creates a unified customer experience where information flows naturally between platforms. Remember, automation isn't about removing the human element, it's about enhancing it. Use personalization tokens to make automated emails feel individually crafted. Include the subscriber's name, reference their specific interests, and acknowledge their previous interactions with your content. Your journey to email marketing mastery starts today. Think about this. Every successful online business leverages email as their most valuable marketing asset. The strategies we've covered aren't just theory. They're proven frameworks used by digital entrepreneurs who consistently generate revenue through strategic email marketing. Remember, building an effective email system isn't about getting everything perfect from day one. It's about starting with fundamentals and improving consistently. Each element we've discussed today works together to create a powerful marketing ecosystem that builds relationships and drives sales. If you're ready to transform your email marketing, join our Thriveology community by hitting that subscribe button. Because just like building an email list, every subscriber helps us create better content to fuel your success journey. Share in the comments your biggest email marketing challenge What's holding you back from inbox success? Your question might help another member of our community break through their barriers. Remember, email marketing success isn't about fancy tactics. It's about creating genuine connections and delivering consistent value. Keep thriving and never stop growing.